Welcome back to Learning Self-Defense with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner who's developed techniques using pressure points. In case you missed the previous episode, we'd highly recommend watching it to learn how to defend against a front choke or hair and shirt grab.
Hi, I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Master of Muay Thai Academy with a new technique for you to learn today. Along with me, I have my student Ganesh and Smita to help with the demonstration as well. In today's technique, if you have been strangled against a wall, how you can use the attacker's body weight for your leverage, you're going to learn that. Let's see how to do this. Let me assume that I'm against a wall and I've been strangled. And most of the times, or 9 out of 10 times, the attacker who's strangling would slightly advance forward. If he's not advancing forward, you can bring this pull inside, which will try to bring them forward for your leverage. Now, once this position has happened, a groin kick, a groin, and these two sides of the neck chop. Right? Watch it again, slowly. If the person advances towards you by voluntarily, very good for you. Knee, chop. If they don't advance and they're still locked in this position, grab them towards you, knee, chop. These two sides, as you have understood in the previous videos I have explained, they supply blood to the brain. A chop with the side of the palm, it can be lethal, but not really bad. But at that point of time, they will definitely go down. So you survive. Let me now ask Ganesh and Smita to demonstrate the technique for us. Ready, guys? Okay. 1, it's been locked, pull, knee, good, good. Right, let's see it one more time. I think these guys are doing very fast. I hope you can catch up with the technique. Ready, Smita? Ready, Ganesh? More home. Right, boom, okay? Okay, good. Well, in the first shot, when the knee is attacked, half the energy of the body would definitely drain and make the person become feeling weaker. At the same time, if the blood supply is cut, it can make them go unconscious or at least drop down on the ground for sure. I hope you like this video. Please do like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.